Anselm's Monologium on the Being of God. Chapter 54. It proceeds as a whole from the Father, and as a whole from the Son, and yet does not exist except as one love. It should be carefully considered whether there are two loves, one proceeding from the Father, the other from the Son, or one, not proceeding as a whole from one, but in part from the Father, in part from the Son, neither more than one, nor one proceeding in part from each separately, but one proceeding as a whole from each separately, and likewise as a whole from the two at once. But the solution of such a question can, without doubt, be apprehended from the fact that this love proceeds not from that in which Father and Son are more than one, but from that in which they are one. For not from the relations, which are not than one, but from their essence itself, which does not admit of plurality, do Father and Son equally produce so great as good. Therefore, as the Father separately is the Supreme Spirit, and the Son separately is the Supreme Spirit, and the Father and Son at once are not two, but one Spirit. So, from the Father separately the love of Supreme Spirit emanates as a whole, and from the Son as a whole, and at once from the Father and Son, not as two, but as one, the same whole.